The radius of gyration of a flywheel is 1 meter and fluctuation of speed is not to exceed 1% of the mean speed of the flywheel. The mass of the flywheel is 1670 kg and steam engine develops 600 kilowatt at 720 r.p.m. Then find first question maximum fluctuation of energy, and the second question is coefficient of fluctuation of energy. So first of all here given radius of gyration of a flywheel as 1 meter. So radius of gyration of flywheel denoted by K is equal to 1 meter. So first of all let us note down the given data, and also given the fluctuation of speed is not to exceed 1% of the mean speed. So fluctuation of speed means difference between N1 and N2. So fluctuation of speed means difference between N1 and N2. Here N1 means maximum speed, N2 means minimum speed. So fluctuation of speed not to exceed 1% of mean speed. Mean speed denoted by capital N. So now N1 minus N2 is equal to 1% means 0.01. Off means multiplication N. Now transpose N1 minus N2 by capital N is equal to 0.01. So this is a formula of coefficient of fluctuation of speed, CS. So this is equal to CS. Now CS is equal to how much? 0.01. So here CS means coefficient of fluctuation of speed. Remember CS is equals to, we have two formulas in terms of angular speed and rotational speed, omega 1 minus omega 2 by omega, or one more formula N1 minus N2 by N. So N1 minus N2 by N is equal to CS. So given CS, indirectly given CS equal to 0.01. And also given mass of flywheel. So mass of flywheel how much given? 1670. Yes, 1670 kilograms. Next given power of engine 600 kilowatt and mean speed. So here speed means engine speed, means mean speed is equal to 270 rp. So we have two questions. So in first question we have to find maximum fluctuation of energy. So maximum fluctuation of energy denoted by delta E. So maximum fluctuation of energy is equal to I omega square CS. I omega square CS. So here I is means mass moment of inertia. Delta E is equal to mass moment of inertia. I is equal to mk square. Here I is equal to mk square and omega square CS. So m means mass of flywheel, k means radius of gyration is already given, and omega means mean angular speed. Mean angular speed. Mean angular speed in radians per second. So mean angular speed is equal to 2 pi n by 60. Formula 2 pi n by 60. So 2 pi, what is n? Mean speed. Mean speed how much? 270. Okay, na? Substitute 270 here by 60. So 0 0 get cancelled. 2 ones and 2 threes, 3 ones and 3 nines are. Therefore omega is equal to 9 pi radians per second. Okay, na? Mean angular speed units radians per second. So delta E is equal to, so mass of flywheel 1670 kg and radius of gyration 1 meter, so 1 square into omega square. So here omega how much? 9 pi. So 9 pi whole square into CS. CS value 0.01. Now delta E is equal to 1670 into, so 9 square into pi square. 9 square means 81 into pi square into 0.01. 0.01. Okay. So if you calculate, you will get delta E is equal to approximately, you will get final value as 13350.6 0.61 Newton meters. This is maximum fluctuation of energy in the flywheel. So first question answer 13350.61 Newton meters. So next question, we have to find maximum fluctuation of energy. Next question is coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Here C means coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Fluctuation of energy. Coefficient of fluctuation of energy. So denoted by CE. So there is a formula. CE is equal to coefficient of fluctuation of energy is equal to maximum fluctuation of energy. Maximum fluctuation of energy by mean kinetic energy of the flywheel. Mean kinetic energy of the flywheel. So this is the formula of coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Coefficient of fluctuation of energy is equal to maximum fluctuation of energy by mean kinetic energy of the flywheel. Using this formula, you can find CE. So now C is equals to coefficient of fluctuation of energy. C is equals to maximum fluctuation of energy means delta E by mean kinetic energy of the flywheel. Mean kinetic energy of the flywheel. So KE mean kinetic energy of the flywheel. We already have delta E. We need kinetic energy. Mean kinetic energy of flywheel is equal to. So what is the formula of I omega square? Of I omega square. So of I means moment of inertia. So moment of inertia, mass moment of inertia. So here I means mass moment of inertia of the flywheel. So I is equal to mk square into omega square. So of mass of flywheel 1670 kg into 1 square into omega square. So omega value how much? 9 pi radians per second. So 9 pi whole square. Now of 1670 into 9 pi whole square. So if you calculate, you will get this value around 667. Here I got 667530 point, approximate value 7 Newton meters. So now using delta E and KE, we can find CE. So coefficient of fluctuation of energy is equal to maximum fluctuation of energy 13350.61 by 667530.7 Newton meter. This value will be equal to CE is equals to, if you calculate this value, you will get around 0.02 approximately. Coefficient of fluctuation of energy is equal to 0.02. Coefficient of fluctuation of energy is equal to 0.02. So here actually given wrong answer. Second question 0.1. So we cannot get 0.1. It must be 0.02. Okay.